All right.
I don't even have a GoPro right now. I crack on.
Oh no, dude! Even all the FPV ones are done. Oh
I
jeez.
just exploded my 6, 7. Yeah,
Jeez.
here, no, 8. I'm sorry. Here
Jeez, bro. Yeah, my 9's on like the last legs.
I flew up into the sky and I did like a half roll to like dive into a group of trees. And as soon as I did the half roll, I lost all signal. So it fell straight down the GoPro.
We got static FPV on the Super 73. Look at that thing.
This is the
workhorse. Yo, electric.
Never been clean.
Oh, that's crazy.
Never been clean.
Mine's mad dirty right now too.
3,200 miles.
That's crazy. I think I got, how many do I have on here? 815.
Okay. Oh, still fresh. Let's see what we got. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, 32.
Jeez, that's crazy.
Top speed of 67.
Sheesh, this thing is fast.
Not bad.
All right, here we go. All right, where we out to? Lights green, yo. Where we going? On the left. Oh yeah. This right, right? I got you. Dude, this thing is too much fun. Look at that. Those are some huge doggos. Good old doggos. What's up?
Go somewhere else. There's a frisbee competition going on.
Is there really?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. I've never seen this many frisbee players.
Yeah, there's a lot of this is a huge field. Look at this.
It's big. We used to fly drones back here.
Yeah.
Spot for a while. Yeah, and then the city just redid the entire park. They don't really like flying here anymore. Understandable. I get it.
All right.
It's not too far, but it's a huge office park with
Dig it.
We're not going to have any problems with it.
All right, off to the next spot. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah. That's what is that, like a private little?
It's just a parking lot.
Wow, look at that.
We could jump over there, no problem.
I mean, yeah.
No
I'm not. Are we doing it?
Yeah, if you want.
Dig it.
Ladies first.
Oh, that's
there's a gate right there, so yeah.
It's really tight. Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna be a weird one for me to switch.
Yep.
As long as I get it over my backpack.
Almost. Keep going. There we go.
You know T-plane? FPV? Okay.
Oh. Oh no. Too much mud on my tires still.
Okay. Okay. No rear brakes.
All right.
No, don't even bother pulling that lever.
All right.
You have front brake. If you feel it goes too low, just pump it. Just do this really fast.
No,
it's not that quick.
Trust me, I know.
Nothing like that.
Trust me, I know. I've ridden bikes where there's no brakes.
And also, I have the new throttle on my backpack. I had to fucking change it. That's the other thing that broke. When he dropped it, he snapped my throat.
Whoa, this thing feels weird. It's like so skinny.
It's more. It's
I got
cruiser.
it. Yeah, I got you.
Trust me, you could floor right now. It's not anything in comparison to it. It will get to top speed, but it's a cruiser.
Whoa! Oh, this thing's got some juice. Oh, oh, that's wild. First time on a Super 73, guys. Jeez. See how this pedal is. Oh, look at that. I'm pedaling. Oh, this is a front. Yo, they don't do nothing now. Oh, yeah, that's cool, man. Yeah, brakes are going through it.
Dude, I replaced those pads a week ago.
Oh.
One ride, forgot.
Jeez.
It's not made. It's not made for. It's not supposed to have single pace.
Oh, so sketchy. It's so low to the ground. I feel like I'm gonna hit my head, yo. It's so cold in here. Yo. Woo. On to the next spot.
It's crazy how much colder it is in there.
Yeah, like I'm hot out here. Yeah, that was ridiculously cold in there.
So weird. I guess because the sun's over here.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not warming that at all.
Whoa, this is a wild one. It's cold in here too, man. Oh, what? Oh no, that's wild. We back out.
The next light, which is a little bit down the road again.
Yeah, yeah.
You're gonna make a right.
All right.
And then it's gonna be a little bit of a cruise after that.
All right. Sitting in traffic. That's wild. Blocking the intersection, crazy. What? Oh.
I thought there was more of this cave. I thought that kind of went up into a
like your voice and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seems like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had me.